The greedy servants. There was a rich, wise merchant. Once he set off with his servants and carts of goods to sell them. After traveling a great distance, they reached a forest. The merchant had heard a lot about this forest. He called his servants and warned them, "Do not eat anything of this jungle, as a demon has sprinkled poison over them." A demon had seen them. He put honey on some leaves and sprinkled it with poison. The merchant, in the meanwhile, went to get some water. While he was away, some servants of the merchant felt hungry. They could not resist the honey. They immediately ate the honey and died within minutes. Soon, the demon came and ate them. The merchant came back and saw the bones. He felt sad for the servants and said, "Oh, if only they had not been so greedy." Bodhisattva and the monster. The Bodhisattva was once born as an ascetic. A monster used to come to listen to the Bodhisattva's teachings, but never followed them. One day, a beautiful lady was going to her parents' house through the forest. The monster liked her and locked her in a box, fearing she might run away. He would swallow the box whenever he went out. One day, the monster was passing by the river. He spat out the box and went to bathe in the river, leaving the box on the shore. The lady somehow managed to get out of the box. She saw a young man who had a magic sword. Wanting to get rid of the monster, the lady hid the young man's sword in the box with herself. The monster came out of the river. He swallowed the box again and went to listen to the Bodhisattva's teachings. Just as the Bodhisattva saw the monster, he warned him that his life was in danger. The monster spat out the box immediately and his life was saved. Then the monster let the lady free at the Bodhisattva's advice. The kind deed. A king loved his wife very much. He loved her to the extent of being jealous and possessive about her. After a few years, the queen bore a son. The son had a godlike beauty about him. The queen loved her son and spent most of her time with him. The king realized this. He started getting jealous of his son. One day, as the king came to meet her, the queen was playing with her son. She did not notice the king. The king was offended by this. He thought, "If this goes on, she will ignore me forever. I will have to do something." So he called the executioner. He told him to kill his son. The queen pleaded with the king, but he did not listen. The executioner took the child but could not kill him. He left him in a hermitage. He then brought the queen there. The queen was very happy and lived with her son in the hermitage. The Brahmin and the Parrot. Once a Brahmin had two parrots, a male and a female. The Brahmin took great care of them. But the Brahmin's wife was very wicked and immoral. One day, the Brahmin had to go out of town. He told the parents to keep an eye on his wife. Now, as soon as the Brahmin went away, men started visiting the Brahmin's wife. The male parrot scolded the wife for being immoral. The wife was so furious at this that she killed the parrot. The female parrot was dumbstruck. After several days, the Brahmin came back. He found the male parrot missing and asked the female parrot about him as well as about his wife. The female parrot said, "It is not wise of me to speak of things which are not favorable for my existence, whether they have happened or not. Otherwise, I will share the same fate as the male parrots, who lies dead." Saying so, the female parrot flew away. The Brahmin understood his wife's act and separated her. Thanks for watching. Do like, share, subscribe to Sahil Book House.